Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can add an email button on Instagram account. So when there is, so for example, if you go through few of the Instagram accounts, some of the people may have email button. When you tap on that, that will directly leads to an email page where we can compose an email and where we can send them an email. So how you can keep that email button on your Instagram profile? So open Instagram and click on the bottom profile picture area and click on edit profile, and see here there is something like contacts option. Here contacts option, and for now, right now, there is no email id given in this address. I need to first give the email address and click on ok. When you press on ok, again click on this contact information and click on display contact info. So no, yeah, I need to click on this check mark. So when you're done with this, see here email address button is appeared here, but remember, this option is only available for professional accounts or the business accounts on the Instagram. If it is your personal account, your options won't be there, because when you click on edit profile, this contacts option won't be visible to you, because that won't be available to you on the personal Instagram account. If it is your business or professional account, then only you will be able to see that email address button option or the contact option. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.